let's get right to the floor show, because there's a whole bunch of plate moving and spinning here at the New York Stock Exchange, and who would be better to talk about it than longtime trader Peter Tuchman? Applause, please.
Yes, hi.
Okay, the action on the floor. So it's been a little bit different this week, where we've seen the real winners of the first half start to stumble and faceplant a bit.
But we need to look at the price action is extraordinary.
Meaning,
and when you see, I mean, when you're seeing the market, look, on the downside, the market is not at all forgiving. When they want to sell them, they sell them with abandon. We saw that with Broadcom a couple of weeks ago when it had great earnings, it missed slightly on guidance, and it was down 18%. But you can't say that if it's down, something is down 14% today, but it's been up 38, 40% over the last 3 weeks, that it's really it's a bad day. You have to realize what's happening is there's a lot of short-term trading going on.
Okay.
In a market with this kind of volatility, and you've got hedge fund managers and big funds that are no longer the buy and hold posture. They're really trading the market because that's how they're getting the best returns for their customers. You're seeing them get in and get out, and that's where you're seeing this happen.
What about investors who are watching right now and are not the wild traders like you?
You know what? Look, I think investors have got to be happy about everything that's happened this year. Imagine what has been thrown at this market over the last 6 months. We just closed out the second quarter, the half, and the market is spectacular. Think about what we've gone through. Oil literally from 63.5 to 120, sustaining itself above 110 for months at a time. That the inflationary effect on that is huge. Yet the market continues to hit record highs every day, every week. Dow at a record high, 52,000. We blew through the 50,000. Where are we here? That's for you. We blew through 50. We can't. I didn't even have time to make a 52,000 hat. Okay. S&P blew through 7,600.
You didn't have time to make the 52,000.
I didn't have time. I'm sorry. Market's moving so fast. The embroidery guy can't even keep up with it. But think about where we are in the market after 6 months. You're hearing the whoops. That's an old tradition from the floor on a 3-day weekend. It'll build up in excitement as we go towards 333.
So 3:33 p.m. Eastern. That's what you need to be here. Well, you
and
need to
33
be here the
seconds,
show.
actually.
And 33 seconds.
33, right, exactly.
Okay.
So, but I think it's really important to know where we just came from, where we are, and what's been thrown at this market. We've had a war.
True.
We've had, inflation that was obviously affected by oil prices. That, think about it, for every $10 increase in a barrel of oil is equivalent to 1% GDP. Okay, we went from 63.5 a barrel to 120 and stayed above 110 for a number of months. I think with all that being said, the market handled it amazingly well. Now we're back at the 73 level.
Peter, when you look at areas that have not soared as much as, say, for example, the memory chip makers or some of the hyperscalers, which sort of it's become more of an industrial tech play that we're seeing now and less focused on the hyperscalers, beyond technology, where are you starting to see some nibbling on behalf of clients that pick up the phone and call you?
You know what? Look, it's hard. It's hard to really identify where. Obviously, I'm a firm believer. I work a lot with Dan Ives. Dan Ives is the tech master. He still believes we're in the third inning of a 9-inning game that's going into extra innings in the building of data centers in AI. That game is not over by any means.
Where's Dan going? Dan is leaving Wedbush.
Yes, he's going on to start something on his own.
Oh, nice.
Right. Yeah, he announced it yesterday on CNBC, and I believe he said he's merging with a hedge fund and some kind of a home office or an investment bank. Everybody's really excited about it. It's a great move. But I mean, if you think about what happened to software, we've bounced back a lot. That is one sector that has not made it all the way back. Tech got beat up a lot. It also has come back. There are a lot of things that happened at the end of last year that really were problematic when they said AI was a bubble. We're still getting over the trauma from that. But taking into account what we've just lived through for the last 6 months, with the war, with inflation, with oil, I think we're in an amazing spot, and the market shows resilience that we've never seen.
Well, let's just say this much. As we approach America 250, the 250th anniversary of the birth of this messy but amazing democracy, you have had a front row seat in the building that has stitched together the American dream in so many forms. It is so much more than a building. It is that
it's the greatest
representation
financial institution in the world.
Absolutely. It really represents capitalism and the free market system. What What do you leave our viewers with on a day like this?
You know what, look, I feel I have my own legacy, having been, I'm the longest standing broker on the floor. I've been here for 41 years, okay? And for me, my son is my partner here. We're the last father and son team after years and decades of this being a family business. You know, look, we are still keeping the human element alive at the NYSE, which is really important to note. All the other marketplaces are electronic. NYSE still has humans. We are around here. Look, it may not seem as crowded as it once was. We are more relevant than ever before. We are still here. And the bottom line is that this market is so resilient. We have to look at what the world and what the U.S. has gone through over the last number of years. And to imagine that we are still here at the record highs, day after day, week after week, on every indices, and think of where AI has taken us and where chips and software and all of that. And not only that, there's a massive, much bigger footprint, right? It's not, those guys have led us to these levels, but there's way more to it. The footprint in this market is still huge.
Peter Tuchman, it's wonderful to have you.
Absolutely, my pleasure. I'm going to be here for another 41 years.
Been my friend for many, many years.
Many years, yes.
Great to see you.
More
I
to
even
come.
saw
Thank
him
you.
on the top of a mountain, on the top of a mountain in Colorado, Vail. Unbelievable. How can I miss this guy? Even with the helmet, the ski helmet, his hair was flying out.
Nixon 5, let's go. It's a pleasure. My love.
All right, folks.